Are you gonna be a daddy someday?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah. Grandma.
Huh?
Grandma.
Grandma?
No, that's grandma.
Oh, okay. So do mommies feed babies or do daddies feed babies?
Daddy.
Ah!
Daddy.
Mommies feed babies.
Yeah.
And you're gonna be a daddy, huh?
Yeah, for I grow up and I'll get older and feed the baby.
Well, mommies feed the babies, remember?
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is getting me. Who's my with the sister?
Oh, she is?
Yeah, it's Sissy. Sissy's 22.
Oh, I think she's just one. She's not even one yet.
Not we?
Nope, not yet. Not like you.
Can I hold Sissy?
Yep, when she's all ready to be held. Are you big?
Let me show you.
Okay, let me see.
See?
Whoa! You're very big.
Yeah, because I grow up, because I get big like you, Mommy.
Oh, you are?
No, like you. Like you.
Oh, like me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. You're smart. Did you know that?
Yeah, and I'll go to space.
You're gonna go to space?
Yeah, and I'll fall down.
Oh, no, you won't fall down.
No, the movie.
Oh, on the movie they did?
No, the one guy.
Oh, one guy?
Yeah,
Oh.
it was falling down.
Oh, that's not good.
And it just has fall out. It is one, and it just take out, and it just push it, and it fall down.
I think that was pretend. That was a pretend movie.
But it was quacking, a quack, and a quack.
It cracked?
Yeah, and it's a quack now.
Whoa.
And it fall out with the stars.
Whoa.
This is so we'll just stay here
Oh, okay.
because I don't like it.
Why? Whoa, Sissy's grabbing the camera. Whoa.
I can't hold you.
It's okay, thank you.
Sissy's getting me quiet.
What?
Whoa, Sissy, slow down.
Okay, say bye, camera.
Poor camera.
Say bye, camera.